lamo lusful malefitu. Male foi upu mua. Male foi upu esfulu male fa. Psalms 27, verse 1 and verse 14 says, The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear, Lord? The Lord is the strength of my life. Whom shall I be afraid? Wait on the Lord, be of good
Those are just steps for the danced on.
and He shall strengthen your
That what it said?
Wait, I say,
Oh yeah, yeah. No, I don't.
I say,
Wait, wait.
the
Oh my gosh.
The Lord is my light
That's the big one.
and my salvation. Whom shall I fear, Lord? A little of
coming on where they rolled their bikes through this tunnel. Kind of bright.
The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear, Lord? The Lord is the strength of my life. Whom shall I be afraid? Whom shall I be afraid? Whom shall I be afraid? Whom shall I be?
Outside. This one outside. Somebody's upstairs. Okay, which window is his? I don't know.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells.
Sing most steady, a doe, a deer, a female deer, hooray, I got a golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, a long, long way to run. So a needle pulling thread, and a note to follow so. Tea and drink with jam and bread, that will bring us back to
up to the hills.
Of the hotel complex, which is called Fuschl. Please hold on looking out of the left side. The roof will come out any second. Now you see the tower already showing up over there. So that was to see at the beginning of the movie as well. Fuschl it is called. A drop of golden sun. Me, my name, I call myself. Far a long, long ways to run. So a people pulling thread. Long and no to follow. So tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough. Do re mi fa sol la ti do, so do.
And also over here is where Mozart's mother was born, this little town here. Cold. Why is it cold up here?
It's not cold.
It's cold here?
It's... Oh crap, it's over.
There's a sad sort of clanging from the clock in the hall, and the bells in the steeple too. And up in the nursery an absurd little bird is popping out to say cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Regretfully they tell us, but firmly they compel us to say goodbye to you.
Go check out there.
Inside.
So long, farewell, I'll be saying goodnight.
I hate to go.
The battery's about to die.
So long, farewell, are we to say adieu?
Adieu, adieu, to you and you and you.